Really want to thank this brand here for sending me this really nice case that holds this door hinge jig and the doorknob jig and all these really neat tools. If you're a carpenter and you're going to put a door in, or maybe you're not a carpenter and you just want to put a door in your house, you don't want to change the frame, you just want to change the door. So what happens is you buy a blank door. You've got to put the doorknob on. This is how you do it. Put it right on the door. Now they even send you the tool, hole saw. Put the doorknob on, and you're going to have the place to put the little application, the little mechanism for the lock for the door. But you're also going to need the hinges on, and that's what this is for. You put this right on the door. You can do this for a 1/4 inch radius hinge or a 5/8 inch. Some of the hinges are not quite as round or square, and some of them are very round on one side. And this is how you lock it on the door. Get it adjusted here for the hinge side you need. You take the little router bit that they've sent you. You start right here on the little opened area, and you route out the spot for the hinge, because new doors are blank like that. Now you've got your spot for your hinge made. Easy enough. You lay your hinge in there. Look what they send you, a little tool with a little drill bit in. So you can be in place and run your little drill bit in for where you want your screws. It's a very nice little drill bit that holds in place as you drill it through. So you've got everything. You've got your jigs for your hinges and your doorknobs. You've got your hole saws for both doorknobs and the latching mechanism. You've got your drill bit and you got your router, all in one little packet.